Are you looking to secure a loan from FairMoney in 2025? You have come to the right place. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to get your loan approved smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Understand your needs. Before applying, clearly define why you need the loan. Are you looking for personal expenses, business needs, or emergencies? Knowing your purpose will help you choose the right loan amount the type. Check eligibility requirements. FairMoney has specific eligibility criteria. Ensure you meet the following. Age. You must be at least 18 years old. Income. A steady income source is crucial. Credit score. While FairMoney is more flexible than traditional banks, a good credit score can boost your chances. Step 3. Gather necessary documents. Prepare the following documents for a seamless application process. Identification. A government-issued ID. Proof of income, recent pay slips or bank statements, address verification, utility bills or lease agreements. Step 4. Download the FairMoney app. To apply conveniently, download the FairMoney app from your device app store. This user-friendly platform allows you to manage your loan application and track its status. Step 5. Fill out the application. Once you have downloaded the app, create an account or login. Complete the application form with accurate information. Upload the necessary documents. Step 6. Review and submit. Before hitting submitting, double-check all entered details and uploaded documents for accuracy. A well-prepared application increases your chances of approval. Step 7. Await approval. After submission, FairMoney will review your application. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your app for updates. Step 8. Receive funds. If approved, funds will be disbursed directly to your bank account. Make sure to understand the repayment terms and conditions before accepting the loan. Securing a loan from FairMoney in 2025 does not have to be complicated. By following these steps, understanding your needs, checking eligibility, gathering documents, and using their app, you can streamline your application process. Remember, being prepared is the key. For more tips on managing loans effectively, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Happy borrowing!